On this episode of First Timers, come check out an installed Roto-Fab intake on the ZL1 Camaro.
How's it going, YouTube? Alvin here with the First Timers. Hey, dodged out today. Got my Hemi hat, my Hemi shirt. Of course, it's gonna be a car episode. So today I'm actually gonna just kind of showcase what I did to install a Roto-Fab intake on a 2013 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1. If you don't know what a ZL1 is, go take a look at Wikipedia, do a little bit of reading. Very iconic car, so I am super excited to be able to play with one. Now the Roto-Fab is promising 26 to 29 horsepower gain. That is pretty impressive. I don't know if I'm going to be able to feel the difference, but I'm pretty sure we'll probably be able to hear the difference. So it's going to be very, very fun. Now, keep in mind, Roto-Fab does not ship to all states, such as Southern California, or actually I should just say California in general. Main reason is smog restrictions. Now, I'm lucky just because my buddy lives out of state, and he actually picked up one, and he's, just not super car handy, I guess you could say. He always says that he has 2 left thumbs. Don't know what that means, but we're gonna get this Roto-Fab installed and see how it looks. Now, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Very important to us. Keep us going, keep us moving. And, hopefully one day we'll be able to just bring you videos all day long of anything first timer related. So again, we got some great videos coming up, car related, motorcycle related, toy related, gaming related. So there's gonna be some good and fun stuff coming up in the next episode. So definitely hit the subscribe button, so you guys can be the first to watch. Anyway, guys, enjoy the video. Keep in mind everything's time lapse, so we're trying to shorten it all down for you guys so you don't have to worry about being here for like 20 hours. But anyway, guys, enjoy. For the start of the intake change out to the Roto-Fab, we had to take off the clamps that hold it to the airbox and to the throttle body. I also had to disconnect the wire that was connected to the mass airflow sensor. Actually something very simple. The instructions that they laid out are actually pretty straightforward at this point, but it was pretty quick and easy to sit there and kind of take it all apart. There was only about 3 screws, I believe, that held the airbox in place. So just literally unbolt the screws, pull the airbox out. The assembly of the Roto-Fab airbox is actually pretty simple. There's 6 screws that actually hold the tube to the metal plate. As you sit there and tighten it down, just don't over tighten it to the metal plate. It's, you don't want to damage any of the paint or anything like that. I decided to lay out a carpet mat just so I don't mess up the edges of the airbox on the concrete. At this point, we decided to clean the throttle body with CRC throttle body cleaner. It was very quick, easy. You kind of just spray it and kind of let it work its way in a couple times. Then I decided to wipe it down any excess with a microfiber cloth. On the tube, there's a little canister that needs to be removed and placed on the new piping. So just make sure that when you're taking it apart, you have to jam a kind of like a small thin screwdriver, or I should say a flat blade screwdriver, all the way through around and work your way around the actual canister piece so you can pull the piece out. I did spray it with a little bit of WD-40 to add a little bit of lubrication, but it did take some time to do that because I didn't want to damage the other piece. Again, Roto-Fab gave really good instructions with their intake. It was very simple to follow. The assembly process was actually very smooth as well. The only part that was a little difficult was trying to actually get the piping connected to the intake pipe around the airbox. So that was a little bit of a pain to kind of muscle through, but kind of once you get it on, it went on. So as we come to the cleanup portion of the video and jump right into driving around, I just want to make sure that you guys are driving safely out there and not gunning around. Please do your due diligence and yeah, just have fun and enjoy your car. That was such a fun experience and fun ride in the car. Please make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching. Peace.